And we are live. We are. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, Lynn? Thanks for hanging out. Spies 339.08. Crazy because that's the all-time high. It's just sitting there. So I'm interested, but I want to get rid of my SPY contracts this morning if I can because they expire Friday. So I'd rather get rid of them now. 339.15. So even if I really hope I'm at break even, I'd love to hop out because I can free up all this other capital to trade with. So let's just pray. So good morning. Good morning, Poseidon. Thanks for hanging out. Docu's up in the pre-market. I was liking them. What else is Spirit's up a little, which is cool. Square's right where we sold yesterday. So good thing we sold. We can always re-enter. AMD is at 81.95. I like this spot for them. Had a late start to the morning. We finally got the stream going. Microsoft to 1161. AT&T's down, which is great. I'm excited to see Facebook open too. It's going to be interesting. I think they're a really good stock, but I'm just excited. 1 minute away from open. We'll see what the SPY contract looks like, but I'm really hoping that I can hop out right at open. Like I hope I'm at break even and not down. If I'm down, I hope I'm not down more than 50 because then I can get rid of half and then hold the other half. You're looking at Oracle and Facebook. Yeah, Oracle's cool. You think Target will go up more? I don't think so. And if it does, I don't think it's like sustainable. I think Target would have been a great earnings play, but they're already up to 148.76. So, man, I missed out on that. I'm going to look at those contracts. We'll see how much we would have made. But I'm really just watching SPY right now. Okay, it opened. Okay, I respect it. I'm only down 18. I'm only down 6. So very soon. Okay, I'm down 20. So let's see what SPY does this morning. I'm really hoping that we can get a little bit of a spike in the morning. And it doesn't just go straight to selling off, but we'll see because we got Target and stuff. So, or I don't have it, but I mean like in general, like we have Target in this market. So it's just hovering. But I would like to get rid of these. I'm just going to watch SPY for a minute. Square's already climbing. Okay, so everything's looking green. SPY's still just standing still. Microsoft's green. DPST's even green this morning. Facebook's up a little. But yeah, I'm interested to see what SPY does, but I would love to hop out here pretty soon. But of course, the market's going to shake out. But I really like Square and the position it's in. So we're just going to sit and watch. Let me go to Target. So Target's kind of hovering as well. Just kind of hovering. SPY's down. So we'll see what it does. We always give the little morning market shakeout, I like to call it. All right, so let me get back to these. How do you feel about Chegg? I don't really have the best opinion on Chegg just because Chegg's interesting because of a lot of the school stuff. Like it's down, it's just kind of been going sideways. If we look at Chegg overall for like this whole month, like of course it popped when they had their earnings run, it popped, but I don't really have an opinion on them. I took them off my watch list a couple weeks ago, so after their earnings play. All right, so Target popped up after hours. I bet they will dip it open. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think they'll dip at some point today. I don't really know how sustainable their run is right now, but it's going to be hard to know. I think people are going to be securing profits and stuff from what I see. I mean, that's what I would do if I had Target. Good old Target. Squares down. SPY's down again. Okay, so SPY is falling, which kind of sucks for us. I was hoping we could, although it's looking pretty solid right now. Of course, people are going to be taking profits. The market's shaky. DOCU is 209.04. Spirit's actually up. This is really cool. Good morning, MC. Thanks for hanging out. Good morning, Miguel. Really appreciate it. Square, NVIDIA, and BRKB is all doing good. Yep. Let me check out NVIDIA, and then also I'm going to check it because I haven't actually checked them. Yeah, I think just a little sell-off in the morning. Hopefully we keep SPY in the 338.90 range. What about Oracle? Let me check it out. What's up, Grayson? Good morning. And then BRKB's kind of popping. Well, let me go check it out. How's it doing? Where is it? Should be on my watch list. Oh, it's at the top of my watch. That's right. Wow, that is up. It is up for now. That's cool. Yeah, BRKB is awesome. I can't believe I sold that position early still. But yeah, if we keep SPY right here at 338.90 range for a little bit, I mean, that would be pretty solid. Can't get upset at that. DOCU's up to 210.26. My opinion on Oracle is if you're going to play small. That's my opinion. That's what Trading Fraternity was. He has Oracle as his play right now. So let's check it out. But I think it'd be a good play. What were they yesterday? 55. Okay. Yeah, he likes Oracle. I think it's a good play. So if you like it, Lynn, I mean, Trading Fraternity's playing it today. I don't know what his plans are. If he's playing a weekly thing, I think he was buying out of because he said, okay, so these contracts are up 100% already this morning. So yeah, if you were to play it small, I don't think it's a bad move. I know that's what he's doing. He swung it into today, and I think he played the weekly. I don't know. He might have played the August 28th. So those are still up 70% though. So I like Oracle. I just don't understand them. I got to do some more research. But thank you guys for hanging out on the stream. Spirit's up a bit. Yeah, your contract's still down, probably because of theta, and they have to move a little more for us to see like significant change. Square took off already. So let's watch them because we might make a potential entry on Square. Wow, that really lifted. Like within 5 minutes, it was up a whole $1.50. But we'll watch them. We got to let the market shake out so we don't get FOMO. Like if I just got FOMO on Square, it'd be bad. Apple going up. You filled an Oracle. Okay, I respect it. So it's a weekly one? 56 filled. Okay, so you got a $56 call in Oracle. I like it. I think we can watch them shake out. I'm excited to see what happens. SPY is on the rise. We're breaking new highs. We're back to break even on this contract. So please just move like 8 more cents and I can get out. I'd be so happy. We're literally at what I paid for on these contracts. See, that's why I wish I would have just re-entered and swung instead of swinging the ones I had. Spirit's taking off. Come on, SPY. You're like 4 cents away from me hopping out. Oh yeah, baby. Spirit's taking off. Should have waited a bit more for a better dip. Oh, that's all right. It'll happen. I mean, the market's all over the place. I really like DOCU here, but it has already ran up a lot. But we're gonna let the market shake out. And then I'm gonna hopefully hop out of SPY here shortly. This is literally my position. I'm literally now just -6. I'm so close to hopping out. So close. DPST's down again this morning. Apple's to the moon. Facebook's to the moon. So that's crazy. But yeah, we need SPY to come back. I think a lot of the beaten downs are still getting beaten down a little bit. But yeah, once I can hop out of SPY, we can start making some other plays. Home Depot's up good this morning. Compare, like if you would have swung it, FedEx is up good. So we're gonna let the market shake out. I like Square. Square could be an entry pretty soon. So we're just gonna sit and wait and watch Square before we make an entry there. But I like Square. Docu's looking healthy today. BRKB looks all right. You know, not my favorite chart to see, but I don't hate it. But Facebook's looking really good. I think it's breakout time for them. Apple's breaking out to the moon. So yeah, I'm really curious to see how this plays. But Facebook's looking good. Just be careful if you play them. It's still in the morning. Yeah, I know. SPY is like so scared to take off to the moon. My save contract's back from the dead, which is awesome. Only down 50% instead of 60. All right, so my SPY contract's in the positive now. So we're gonna put this limit sell in. I'm gonna try to sell all 4 of these contracts, and then we might re-enter later. I'm just trying to watch this market shake out. What would that be if I sold it there? All right, so I'm gonna put this in. We'll see if these execute. I hope they do. It's 2 cents from executing. I'm trying to hop out at 227, and then okay, perfect. So I made $8 off that because I want to just get out of SPY. We'll let the market shake out. But it looks like a good morning. I just want to let stuff shake out. I just want to get out. We can always re-enter. So it's no worries. No worries here. Can always re-enter. I'd grab something more in the money so that I have a better delta, and then I want to get something further. But SPY looks strong. I mean, I can always re-enter if it even goes into the 20s range. Maybe I sold a little early, but I just wanted to get out there. Just watching the market shake out for now. So then we can make some entries. I just don't want to rush into something because Square's looking like I didn't want to enter Square and see how we're red. So I just want to be careful of that. Same. AAL getting me a little closer to break even. We love to see that. I think today's the day for the beaten downs. I really do. Today's the day for the beaten down. So I think tech will have some money in it early and it might kind of flutter off. But at the same time, I mean, tech is strong. I think Facebook's a good breakout spot too. So I'm liking it. Facebook's just lagging a little bit, which is the only thing I'm not about. But besides that, we got a kick-ass morning, bro. Spirit 18, I think so. I think it's today. James said better drop. What better drop? Yeah, SPY's dropping, so I'm glad I hopped out. I can always re-enter and just feel more confident if I'm in the money. I just want to let this market shake out. So I'm glad we got out because SPY is now dipping. Whew. Thank God I didn't get greedy. You'd see me like upset right now. But it's all right. We'll watch stuff. Docu's at 212. Save's looking good. So we're just going to let stuff shake out for now. Square looks like a potential entry. We'll give that a couple more minutes before we make that decision. FedEx is strong today. Let me look at Target. Oracle's looking good, guys. Oracle. So if you guys hopped into Oracle, you should be doing better, I would think. Spirit's climbing, guys. I knew it was coming. We'd see them back up here. I just timed it a week wrong. But they're like, oh, stimulus. We're not doing the stimulus no more. I was like, oh, we're going to wait. So, okay. Yeah, see, like, imagine if we all loaded up on Save yesterday at 70 cents a share and now it's 90, or it's like per contract. That'd be some legendary stuff. It'd be so legendary. Tell me why you staring. Zoom. So we're having a strong morning. We haven't had one of these in a minute. Like to where stuff doesn't just turn around. So that's pretty cool. I'm really excited. Shopify's up. Not Spotify. Lol. I like Shopify. I'll look at some contracts, see if I can afford anything. I doubt it, but you never know. I'm pumped, Blake. I am pumped today for that. If I was to play Shopify, though, I'd have to play like a September 4th contract. I think they have a lot of upside. But I wouldn't play anything higher than like $1,000 call. But there's no volume on them either. So it's like, ugh, what do I do? But I like Shopify. I think there's money to be made in Shopify. Spy's hanging at 338.98. Save's doing good, like we talked about. Square, I'm looking at a potential entry here. We're gonna let it shake out, but I think another good entry on Square, and we could have a big day today. So, but I'm just gonna give it a little bit more time to figure out what it wants to do, and then if I see anything that I really like, and we'll make some plays. Hop right into the plays. Spy's back up to 339.07. You'd love to see it. Just gotta. I'm letting things shake out. That's why I'm not into any positions right now except Spirit. I know some people could be like, "Oh, you're missing gains," but I feel pretty great this morning. Pretty confident. Pretty confident. Facebook's interesting though, but soon could make an entry on them. Does Webull have issues with their options trading? Because I don't see any prices. I don't really use Webull for options. I mean, I have a Webull account for like referrals and stuff. I can also always post that link, but I know that Webull's like just been funky for me. My uncle really likes Webull though, but for trading, but I don't know why. I think I'm just so used to Robinhood. I just like the feel. So we will see. But yeah, I don't know. Webull's interesting to me. I hate Webull. Oh, you're down in Robinhood? Are you down in your spies? Oh, you're down fat. Is that on your spy play? You should probably hop out of it then, because doesn't it expire Friday, just to cut your losses. Baba 828 280 call filled. Okay. Yeah, every e-commerce has crushed it. Absolutely. Yeah, I would get rid of it just because it expires Friday. Even though you're down a ton, you just don't want to expire worthless, because that would suck so much. Gosh, that's seriously the worst. I've had days like that though. I lost 700 on Facebook one day and was like, I just sat there like, oh my gosh, I could have prevented this. It was horrible. It was horrible. Tough day. That was a tough one. So FedEx is still on the rise. Save's kind of hovering. Tesla's down. Apple's down. Not me, my buddy. Oh, signed. Not me, my buddy signed that. Just wanted to share the knowledge. Oh, for sure. No, that's awesome. Yeah, Baba's cool. I like Alibaba. I like Alibaba a lot. Bank of America options. We'd love to see the MC, and then Microsoft is dipping. Yeah, tech's gonna have a little dip. I feel like the market's dipped every day in the morning for like 30 minutes to an hour. So I'm gonna keep an eye on the beaten downs because spirits. Our contracts are coming back. Well, mine's not like, damn. Yeah, if you're gonna play Bank of America, I think it's always best to go. Honestly, end of the year. Any bank stuff's like, if you can go end of the year with it, kind of have a longer term, you'll do great. But I know it's so hard to know, Blake. Like a lot of the Bank of America was pumping for a minute, and it's out of the money, so rip. Hey, it's all good. You'll make it back. I think you will. I'm confident you'll make it back. Save, pick it back up. Yes, sir. Square looks like it's given a nice entry. A YOLO to Microsoft. Oh, yeah. If you're going for September 21st, you're good. You are literally going to be so fine. Yeah, I need to start getting into longer term plays because there's just so much money long term. Like even our spirit stuff. This was 70 cents yesterday, guys. It's almost $1. That's like a 40% return. Save picking back up. 2021. Oh, you got a 2021? Nice, dude. I love Microsoft. I just picked them up on my dad's Roth. I'm so long on Microsoft. It's ridiculous. Yeah, I'm waiting on a Square entry still. I'm going to wait. See that? How it's like down. I'm going to wait for it to find like some more support. And when I see that it's really going up, I'll hop back in. Even if now is like the maximize your profit time to hop in. Just to protect myself, I'm going to wait a little bit. Yeah, it's all good. It was like a $50 contract. I made 100 yesterday. Perfect. Trying Delta call spread. Perfect. Let me know how that goes. I've yet to try a spread just because it's kind of pricey. They're cool. I like to trade. Yeah, I'd probably day trade Square again if I hopped in. But Docu's looking good. I may enter later. I really like Spirit here, though. Spirit's just cooking. I'm just ready to see Spirit over 18. I told you guys I get excited. We see Spirit over 18, I'm back in the game. I would not be upset anymore about my position. Yeah, Dave's back up. We're gonna let the market ride. Tech's gonna be interesting today, though, so be careful, guys. I'm up pretty well, and I need some more DPST action. But we will see. Yeah, Docu's still dropping. Yeah, this is like what I just want to play this morning slow. You know, I want to give it a little bit of time. Play it a little slow. Yeah, we're gonna be okay once the stimulus hits. I agree, because we're already at all-time highs on SPY. Let me grab my charger. My phone. It's because I use my hotspot, so my phone's like it always dies so quickly. BRKB still mooning, so that's good. That's good. Good position there for you guys who made that call out. It's funky too because my charger sometimes doesn't charge, but we'll be all right. We gonna be all right. So yeah, we're just gonna watch stuff for now. It's a really interesting open. John Deere's on the rise. I'm just happy DPST's back to over $60. So we're up 5% on the day. So my portfolio is booming through the roof. I'm glad we're not going too heavy into anything yet. If Spirit crosses over 18, I might grab another call just to bring my costs down. Oh, dude, I appreciate it. You like the new song? Hey, it means a ton to me, man. So much work went into that song, man. I had a blast doing it. It was so much fun, dude. B Keys is so talented. I hope it made it on your playlist. so that you can listen to it. But I really appreciate it. I think I really strongly believe that like if you have a good product, whether it's a song or it doesn't even have to be like a physical like shampoo bottle, like not like that type of product, but like if you can produce something that's really good, I think people will like it and it just will honestly like if you really put time and effort into something, it will get noticed. People will like it, and like that's just my opinion for like for inspiration for you guys for real. Like if you spend time creating something that's really really good, it can last days and weeks. And there's still people who listen to albums from like years ago. I still listen to like Good Kid, Mad City, Kendrick's album, and that was 2012 or 13, one of those years. I think it was 13, and he dropped a couple singles on it from in 12. But like, think about that. Like, you guys can really just if you create something that's really, you know, really good product, it can stand the test of time. I wonder why Walmart always drops, even though they beat their earnings. Yeah, Walmart's interesting. That's why I don't play them. I played them once, made like $60, and was like, all right, we're not touching this anymore. It just moves so slow for me. I like stocks that have more volume. So it's hard for me to know what to do. Deere's already over 194. Microsoft's dipping. Square's still dipping. I bet Facebook's dipping. Yep. Facebook is dipping. Hop on a jet. Oh, dude, Spirit is booming, bro. Ooh. I got that glow on my wrist. Hey, there we go. Get that $4 back. Get that $4 back. Yeah, I'm excited. Spirit's up 26% today. So that would have been a nice swing, but I did not expect it like so soon. Square is still falling, so glad we didn't enter. The bank stocks are up today. DPST is up 6%. So I'm feeling good about that, even with all these other stocks crashing. No entry yet for me though on anything. We're just still feeling the market. It's all over the place. So we're just still trying to feel this out. Playing with smart money today. We're already up on the wheat quite a bit. So I made 6 there. So I screwed that. Oh, let me go check their contracts. I bet they're at 300%, so I can go roll around in the dirt. Oh my gosh, it's still going. Are you kidding me? FOMO. FOMO. Oh my gosh, the contracts are up 1,000%. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, feels bad. Oh my gosh, dude. I would have so played a weekly and just threw like $300 down. And right now it'd be 1,400 for because or like 15, that play was up like 400 to 500%. Are you kidding me? Is that where all the money's going? Everyone's just buying Target? Jeez, man. Oh, no, that's literally how I feel because I called it out on my watch list. I said, hey guys, Target has earnings this week. Literally, Robinhood told me it was the 19th, bro. Did it not? It said it did. Unless they were this morning, I don't know. So it's like one of those things where you're just like, damn, I missed out on 1,000% return. Even if I put like a hundo down or even $30 for fun. Like I was gonna play it bigger. I was gonna play their earnings a little bigger. I like to play with like $200. So like realistically, we're talking 1,000% on $200, bro. Let's okay, they were this morning, so I thought they were post market and not pre market. Is what I did. Oh my gosh, I literally need someone dedicated that tells me exactly when earnings are, so they can say, Logan, remember when you said you're gonna enter this? You gonna still do it? Oh, who wants to do that for me? Oh my gosh, sucks, man. Sucks, man. Ugh. Try to shake that out of my head. It's gonna be hard to do. Get that out of my system. Tesla's a nice little dip. Sorry, I made the. No, you're all good, man. It was literally my fault. I woke up, looked at Target because I saw a tweet, and I barely use Twitter, but I saw a tweet and it was like Target with like the exploding head emojis, and I was like, oh my gosh. Haven't been trading actively. What's a good day trade today, Brian? I'm still looking. It's hard for me to tell, man. We did really good the last 2 days trading, so I'm playing a little more conservative for now. But I will let you know if I find anything. But man, it's oh, what a life. What a life, man. How about a jet? How about a jet? I got that flow on my wrist. I got that gold on my beat. Oof. Covered in baby. I can't tell. Justify hopping on McLaren. SV5. Why you tell me why you staring? Zoom, zoom. I hop right on a jet. All right. Best Buy. Miguel said Best Buy. People hit that like button. There's 20 of us with one like. Let's blow up the channel. Hey, Poseidon, I appreciate it, man. For real. If you guys could, it'd mean the world to me. Like, for real. It means a ton already that you guys even hang out here in general. Like, it's crazy. NVIDIA's earnings are today. They're most likely going to pop, right? I'm worried about playing NVIDIA. Let me look. I'll look for you guys. I'm looking out for y'all. Ooh, Starbucks looking good. What's up, girl? What's up, Starbucks? Maybe that was a good entry point. Square's looking good too. I'm just waiting for a little bit more out of Square before I enter for like a day trade. SPY has recovered quite a bit, actually, about 20 cents. So there's money going somewhere. I don't know where because Microsoft's down and Facebook's down. Oh, it's Apple. Jet trip set drip. Barnes and Noble. Don't write books, get books, says Barnes and Noble. The top two totem. I got that glow on my wrist. I got that glow on my bitch. Hey. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to swear. No, I'm just what do you guys want me to check out? I'm just looking at contracts right now. Around. Getting a feel for the market. Getting a feel for the market. So CCL. I don't play the cruise lines anymore. I'll check them. They're going down. I guess people are trying to secure profits. That's what I'm thinking. OSTK. Let me check them out, Poseidon. OSTK. Usk. Target's still going up. What is this? This is murder in these streets. What's Overstock doing? Oh my gosh. Dude, that stock only goes up, I swear. Should we hop on the FOMO? No, I'm just kidding. That stock really, for real, only goes up, though. Like, what? These contracts, I bet they expired this week, are up 1,000% on OSTK. No, just 100. Target, though. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Ooh. Set trip books as Barnes and Noble. The top two told them. Hop on a jet. Hop on a jet. Just hop on a jet. I got that glow on my wrist. I think NVIDIA's priced in. That's what I'm thinking too. Yeah, you got like 100 in fractional shares, but no options. Thinking about it though. Okay. No, options are cool with them, but yeah, they could be priced in. So be careful. Net just been doing me wrong. Okay, if you're long, that's all good. Do you think Tesla will pick back up? Well, let me go see what Tesla's doing now. I'm still watching Facebook really closely. I kind of want to make an entry there. Oh, Tesla's taking off. Yeah. I was looking at a contract that was $950. I wonder what it's worth right now. It's August 28th, one way out of the money. Yeah, James think it's priced in too. Oh, and so what do you think about DocU? They're at 207. I'm waiting on DocU. If you want to pick them up, do it. I like them here. I'm just going to be a little more patient. Brian, I don't have any day trades for you yet. Yeah, that call that was I was looking at 950 on Tesla is almost 1100 right now. So I should have took the leap of faith. We'll keep an eye on Tesla though, right? I just, even though they're a moon. They're a moon, bro. They are a straight up moon. That's all they do. Like, yo, what's up? Next stop, the moon. All right. SPY 339. I don't know. Tesla's got me half and half because I want to enter a position, but I don't know. I don't want to get greedy, you know? Is there any way to see how many day trades you have done this week? Because I can't remember if I've already done two. So the best way to check that is you're using Robinhood, Poseidon, right? You go to your profile. Here, I'll walk you through it step by step. It'll give me a break from watching Tesla. All right, so you go to your profile, right? So this page, the little people person. Then you go to statements and history. Just kidding, don't listen to me. You go to, nope. All right, we're 0 for 2. How about investing? Yeah, you go to investing, and then at the bottom, it shows you how many day trades you've made this week. I've made 5 day trades. So that's how you check it. Yeah, go to investing and scroll all the way down. That is the way. It's the way the lay of the land. Hop on a jet. Hop on a jet. Tesla's hovering. I don't know what they're gonna do. I would love to day trade them again. I just want to get greedy and screw myself. You know, you feel? Go to invest. Yep, on Robinhood. You guys should really check. I've been good profits off them. Oh yeah, Best Buy. That was the only thing I haven't done yet. Oh my gosh, Tesla, stop. You're playing with my feels, dog. Because they sent me, dog. It's literally pushing 19 hundo. A lot of people got mixed feelings about Tesla, about where they see them moving to. Man, that call's at 1100 right now. 1160. Craziness, man. Craziness in these streets. Crazy, man. Tesla stock just don't quit as well, but damn. Yeah, it's hard to know like the best time to enter Tesla, because if it reverses on you, you'll get hurt, but like you don't want to miss out on the gains. So maybe pick something, that you feel real confident with. Just hold them long term. It's just hard to know, man. They're so damn expensive. Yeah, so if you do 4 in a day, they name you a pattern day trader, and then they limit your count. I forget how much they limit it by, but I think you can't day trade for 90 days is the rule. I think that's the rule. Thank you guys for hanging out, though, for real. The subs, the likes. Don't forget to like the stream. Join the Discord. I'm having a great morning. I don't know if you guys are too. I'm just feeling good. Just feeling a good morning. Have yet to enter anything because, timing, trying to figure all that out. But there's some plays out there, I think. But BRKB is already down, so no entry for us there. Not yet anyway. So you're going to play Tesla after the split? Oh, yeah. Once the premiums are less expensive, I'll play Tesla all the time. Just the premiums are freaking nuts right now. Yeah, I'm plus the 25K portfolio size, so that's how I avoid that. Spirit deflating already. Oh, yeah. Well, I knew it was going to come down a little bit. Things can't just go up, so. So I'm okay with it. We need stuff to consolidate. I wish things could just go to the moon. Heck yeah, I do. I only have one more day trade that blows because it's hurting me and I should get rid of it, but I'm trying to day trade Square or Facebook. So if it's hurting me, I would just use it on that. If it's hurting you, I would rather you lose less money than try to use it and take even further risk. So instead of risking your money, right? So instead of waiting to use your day trade to risk more money and this account's still losing, oh, it's only down 17. Okay. I thought you meant you were like hurting on it. Like hurting to me is when you're down like roughly 200. Or I just say I'm down a little bit. But if I'm like hurting to where it's like, oh, I shouldn't did this today, that's me with some plays. I haven't been to the Discord in a minute either. Check everyone out, see how they're doing. Set trip. Barnes and Noble. Don't get booked right. Book says Barnes and Noble. The top 2 totem. Tell me why you staring. Ooh. We hopping out McLaren's. Ooh. Tell me why you stay. Yeah, so we're still watching Tesla. We're watching DPST stock 2. I want to keep that in mind. Microsoft's looking better. Square's in a tough spot right now. I was thinking about an entry there, but we'll just wait and see. We'll let stuff shake out a little bit more too. But let's keep our eyes peeled. Apple's freaking to the moon. Oh my gosh, that's what's lifting SPY. Holy, I should have made that play this morning. Apple just scaring me. It's at all-time highs. So, but people like to buy stuff that's green, so it keeps going green. Facebook was looking good. Glad we didn't enter because it is back down. So I'm really just trying to get a feel for stuff today. It's interesting morning. We're getting some interest going on. Some high interest rebates. Damn it, give me that rebate. Home Depot 285. FedEx is still to them. Okay, but I knew I was supposed to buy them. And isn't it in a week, not just a day? Which one's a week? Tesla split? I think it's in a week, yeah. Or Apple split. I only have one more day trade. Oh yeah, you already read that. It's only down 17. Do you think GRWG is gonna go up? I'm down 340 my account, but I'll get. Oh yeah, you'll get that back, bro. Facebook's trying. Oh, day trades. Yeah, it's in a week. So you have 3 day trades per week, and that's regulated by like the FDIC or something. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? It's regulated basically by something. Something regulates that. Yeah, after 5 business days. The SEC, yeah, not the FDIC. If it's FDIC insured, yeah, your 3 day trades are insured. I promise. GRWG. Last time I showered, everyone went, I'll take one for the boys. Yeah, he just James hits the shower. He comes in. Grow Generation. What company is this? Are they a marijuana company? So it says Denver, Colorado. Yeah, Nutrient Seeds. What's up, Lexus? VIP. This has got to be marijuana. They're called Grow Generation. Oh my gosh. They just IPO'd last year. Amazing. I don't know if they're nice. Yeah, dude, they gotta do, if they do irrigation and seeds and growing and trays, they gotta be in the marijuana industry. Don't forget to leave a like on the live stream, guys. It helps the channel a ton. I really appreciate it. I really, really appreciate it. It means a ton to me. It's really the coolest thing ever. The coolest thing ever. Farm supplies? Oh my gosh, I thought they were a marijuana company. I was like, Canopy Growth, right? That's what for a second I was like, oh my gosh, is this a marijuana company? Okay, so they do farming supplies. See, I don't know anything about them. I wish I did, but they IPO'd and they're freaking crushing it, dude. That's awesome. Well, that's good news for you. You killing me on a stage. Why I'm in love with you, babe. Hey, oof. Set trip. Set trip. Bonds and Noble. All right, let's look for some more plays. We're looking around. Facebook would be cool. I'm just a little nervous because they're just so insane, man. Berkshire took a dip, possible better entry. Yeah, that's a good entry if they dipped hard. I do love me some Berkshire Hathaway. What if we get a plot twist? Elon's like, yo, guys, I just bought Berkshire from Buffett. He's like, I just sold all my Tesla shares, bought Berkshire. Now I own 40% of Apple too, or something like that. He just like, that's how he literally would take over the world. Could he buy Berkshire? That big of a company? I know that Buffett's like one of the richest guys in the world, but I didn't know it was that BRKB was 500 billion. I thought they were probably like a hundo. But it makes sense. They have so much in Apple, so it's like, yeah, it makes sense to me. It do be making sense to me. Skirt. Let's see what the Discord be popping off. Busting. Target popping. Feels bad. I'm gonna welcome this guy to the Discord, Jack Robert. I'm gonna say welcome. Oh no, I like to welcome the new guys. Workhorse. Nice. People are crushing it today. Thank you guys for leaving all the likes. Yeah, SPY is moving slow today, Lynn. It's weird. Because we got the retail sector doing well today, but we also have the what was I gonna say? Tech is like up and down. Like it really doesn't know where it's going today. So that's why I'm like, Square's doing better. Hey, it would have been a nice entry down there. Square is looking better. I like who's exotic, who's exotic. Oh, Facebook mooned. Facebook mooned. So that's why that is making me really curious on SPY then. Why SPY's kind of like, here and there. So we're gonna look at Square. I might make a potential day trade entry pretty soon. I would like for it to come down a little bit more, but I also kind of want to swing Square too. I like them a lot. I think they're worth swinging into, like if they hit 153 or something. So we'll keep a close eye, but I think I'm about to enter Square pretty soon. They just went under 150. You entered Docu, perfect. Kodak, hey, you made 50 on Dollar General. Oh, you got marked as a day trader. Yeah, I'm guessing it's Amazon. Amazon probably pulling this weight down. DPST 5842. We got SPY hovering. Do I have the buying power? I do. I'm gonna back that up. I'm looking at making a Square entry pretty soon, right here. It would be a 152.5 call for next Friday and just kind of ride this premium out. I like the delta. The theta's not the best, but I just don't want to day trade with an expiration on Friday. Now you gotta wait till the 25th. It happens. What are the contract about? Okay, so that's the volume. The volatility's nice here too. I just wonder if this contract will move, Kind of want to full send it, but it's like, what do I do here? What do I do here? Facebook mooned and then came back down. I kind of want to enter Facebook too. I like Square here a lot though. I think if we get a little bit more of a dip, I'll enter Square. It's just hard to know if we're going to see that or not. Contracts up a little bit already because it is starting to lift a little bit. This delta's not the best, but it would save me from like the theta decay over long term. I'd be up $10 already. Yeah, Square over Facebook. That's what I was thinking. I should have entered when I had the chance. Okay, it's coming down a little bit. So if it drops back down, I'll enter a contract for a longer term Square. Come on, Square. Pop back down just a little bit, just $5 more. Yeah, the fade on Facebook's like, oof. That's why I had to get out of my position last Friday and take a loss. Because I really thought they'd take off last week. I thought they'd take off this week. So we're still waiting to see that. Oh, that Coop's exotic. And Square's still mooning. Grow Generation still going up. Oh my gosh, that's nuts. Absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I was thinking I might get a Square expiration for this week, but it would be a day trade. I'm just these prices hop around so much for Square. It's like I don't want to get in, be down 80 and be like, damn son. So we'll give it a quick second. Give it a quick second. I think Square's pulling back a little more. Yeah, Facebook is hitting its lines. Yeah, it's so weird to watch. Freaking me out a little bit. It's like I feel like entering, I'm like, like I don't know. Like just get real scared. Yeah, so I'll watch it a little bit closer. Maybe I do enter a day trade right here on Square. I just enter one contract for 264. I'll swipe up. If this goes through, we got it. All right, it went through. All right, I'm up $1 already. Cool. So I just entered a Square. What was your call? I grabbed and it's going down. I grabbed a 150 call that expires Friday to day trade it today and just make like, and it's at break even. Bring legit, yeah. How about the bring it set? Hey, set trip. Don't get booked as Barnes and Noble. Top 2 total. How about a jet? How about a jet? Don't get booked, write books as Barnes and Noble, top 2 totem. Get booked, write books as Barnes and Noble, the top 2 totem. Yeah, so I'm literally at break even right now at 150.21. So, and at 150.22, I'm up $1. Hello? Who's there? Yeah, so that was my call. I'm just gonna day trade it, try to make like $3. I only put up 264. So we're gonna watch that closely. I just want to make a little bit and see, how it shakes out. Don't write books, get books that because I'm down 5 right now on it. I got 5 on it. Where's my man's? Where's my man? Blake's here, right? Isn't Blake? Yeah, Blake's the one I get that song stuck in his head. So I'm just gonna try to day trade to make like a quick 30. Pretty low key, laid back. He's like, damn, Logan, mate, you're really singing again. Yeah, so Square just picked this up, trying to make a quick day trade on it. Facebook's looking good. It's mooning. Facebook's a good stock. Could have hopped in there. Apple's still going up. Craziness. Tesla's hanging at 1895. I'd like to see them push up over 1900 again. I think people get really bullish on them. SPY's at 339.15, so right where it was when I sold earlier. So anybody who bought that dip and got back in, congratulations. Square is at 150 flat. Yeah, it's crazy. Target, man. You got in and you're up a ton on Andy. Did you get in on Square? Is that what you're talking about? Oh yeah, we're up right now, baby. We're up, baby. We're up 3% right now. Let's go. Let's keep let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going, baby. Facebook's mooning, Apple's mooning, so I bet SPY's mooning. Tesla's over. Oh yeah, SPY's up. Up, uppity up. Yes, that's awesome. I don't know what to go into. They're all hitting highs. Yeah, it's hard to tell, man. Especially right now. I'm up 14 on Square, so I guess like 16. So I guess I got to get prepared to make an exit here. Maybe not. I was up 20, now I'm only up 5. Uh-oh. Square's like, sorry, dog. You wanted to have a good day? It's just going to be an okay one. But I wouldn't chase anything. Don't feel obligated to chase anything. Still up on Square, which is good. Pretty exciting. Pretty exciting. So yeah, we got Save hovering, doing its thing. We're up 13 on Square. Trying to make a quick 30, get out. Have fun. I don't know. Yeah, still that comment. Thank you guys for hanging out. Don't forget to hit the like button, sub, join the Discord. Making plays every day. We're up 17 on Square. So if it could push up, we're up 20. So let's get ready. I'm going to set my limit in. Trying to get in and out of this guy. 294. It's at 288 currently. We are $5 away from making this $30 day trade on Square. So just move up, I think 15 more cents and we got it. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. It's going the other way. You need news alerts? Check out MNTA. Okay, I'll check it out. Momenta Pharmaceutical. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's a pumper. I don't know why they did what they did. I'm not going to chase that. But man, imagine swinging that thing. That would be crazy. That would have been absolutely crazy. Jeez. I don't really like pharmaceutical companies. Oh, check. Yeah, their options are probably expensive. Or not expensive, but like probably up thousands of percents. That's crazy that Johnson & Johnson's going to pick them up. Yeah, it's too much of a, for me, yeah, up 20,000%, 730. They have really low volume though, so be careful of that. And nobody saw this coming, so there's like no volume on these contracts. So I don't know. I don't really get how that stock moves yet. I guess I can keep my eye on it, but I don't really like pharmaceutical companies personally. So we're up 17 on Square. We were close to hopping out. I'm not buying. I don't either, but I wish I could get. Yeah, but I don't think anybody had that alert's the only thing. Because I think that like none of that, we didn't hear about it at all. I didn't hear about it at all until you brought it up. And usually I hear about a lot of stuff. So like craziness. Craziness in these streets. Craziness in these streets. Checking the options lounge. Spy be flexing. Spy do be flexing. Geez, Tesla's up to 1902. Facebook broke out. It finally did it. Dude, that's a straight moon. That's insane. That's literally so insane. Absolutely insane. Back to break even-ish at Square. We're up a couple bucks, but not too crazy. I think all the money just went into Facebook for a minute. Facebook drops again. I'm hopping on for a day trade. Yeah. Yeah, it could be a thing. We should have entered Facebook when I was talking about it and was just screwing around, just looking at other contracts. I was just too busy watching Target, feeling the FOMO, stuff like that. All the money just went into Facebook in 1 minute. I wonder what these options look like for like this weekend's expiration. Oh, it would have brought me back to life. Well, not really though. If I still was holding, I'd only be up like an extra. Pretty drastic change. Pretty drastic change. This is crazy. The market's freaking insane, man. I swear. I swear this is some crazy stuff. Wonder if Tesla's gonna gain some traction again later. I really do. Square's hanging out where I purchased it, so we're at break even. Was close to exiting a bit ago, but I think everyone left to go put money in Facebook, so I think that's what's going on. SPY's up 339.25. Facebook's crazy. Yeah, Facebook's going crazy. 266, 60, 33. That's still just so nuts. So nuts. Square's still hovering. We're not having a lot of movement today, guys. It's like we got all the money into Facebook, but like stuff like Cat sideways, Berkshire sideways, Amazon dipped and then went up, and now it's dipping. It's getting weird in these streets. Tesla's dipping a little bit. It's at 1890 or 1890 flat right now. So that's going for a little dive. Might come back up. Honestly, I would not discredit an Amazon jump today because it consolidated yesterday all day. That's all it did. So like seriously, like a Tesla jump is not out of the question because it consolidated so much. But just be careful. Facebook drops again. Yeah, Facebook drops again. I just wonder if they have the steam to do this, like what they're doing now, again, if they were to drop. Why did you stay? It's crazy. Crazy morning. AMD's still down. FedEx is mooning. That would have been a nice entry yesterday. Still holding. Hopped into FedEx. Roku. Let me check Roku. Yeah, Tesla's all about that consolidation right now. I don't know. I think they could break out. I just suck at choosing when stuff's gonna consolidate on Roku because I don't understand Roku fully. Like their stock price movement. I'm not about their stock price movement very much. Tesla's deep diving. So we might get a little action from them. But they're taking a deep dive right now. Crazy what Facebook's doing. Square's on a dive. We're down on that position. Can I grab another one? No. It's a little too expansive. What a cool exotic and I'm in love with you, babe. Oh, hey. Set trip. More than noble. Alright, folks here, folks says more than noble. The top two totem. Hop on a jet. Hop on a jet. I got that phone on my wrist. Yeah, so like, because there is a thing too with Tesla. If it goes back up, because this could be its dip, the implied volatility goes up too. So it's just so crazy because it can crush you if it goes the other way, but if it goes your way, you're in a good spot. Especially if it just keeps going one direction. Let it Coop's exotic and I'm in love with you, babe. Hey. Set trip, wait, hey, don't get moved. The top two totem. Square 149.60. I think this is a good re-entry spot. They dipped a little more than I expected. I am down 15%. It's funny because I was up 12. If I was up 15, I sold, and now I was up 12, now I'm down 15. And it's looking for a little bit of boost. We need to give it some energy drinks. We can call up Elon and be like, yo, boost that Tesla stock price, and then we can call up Square, be like, yo, boost that price. Square's still taking a deep dive, down 16%. That's why we played it small. That's why we played it small. Square taking a little dive. For the top two totem. Yeah, target plays are insane. Oof. Top two total. SQ taking a little dive. What's it doing now? It's looking good. I like this. I like Square here. It can make its little run and we can hop out. I'm only down 11% now, so it's not that bad. With how fast contracts move, it's not that bad. Facebook to the moon. That's so nuts. 267.24. Holy crap. I didn't think it would get that up there. So we're still going to watch Square. Still watching Tesla. We're still watching Facebook. I think Facebook's going to start coming down here really shortly. That big green candle. So I feel like I have to hop in. I'm just watching it. It's all right, Poseidon. You don't have to force stuff, you know. Like, just be patient. You'll find plays. Just pick something. But it's hard to know, like, that Facebook was going to do that before it did it. And you don't want to hop in now because, you know. I like the idea of a Tesla entry, Brian. Just be careful if you do it. I think they dip, though. I think they'll come back up. Especially if you play it for, like, late August. Like, don't play it weekly, but play till next month, like February or next week. And I think you'd be good. But yeah, you don't want to chase Facebook and Apple and all this. Like, it would have been nice to get in earlier. But now it's, like, kind of, I wouldn't want you to get hurt, you know? All right, guys, I'm done for the day. Sounds good, Miguel. Hope you had a great day trading. Best Buy, man. That's awesome. You're crushing it. For real means a ton that you hang out here. It's awesome. We love it. We love it. My lighting's a little weird right now. We need to get this lighting situation figured out. Square's looking a little better. I got that glow on my beard. Covered in baby. I can tell that you're fine. Popping on my clearance skirt. Yeah, Square's coming back a little bit, so feels good. Feels good to see Square back up there. A little bit more. Facebook still just chilling at that green candle spot up top. SPY's through the roof right now at 339, 31, 32. It's still going up. That would have been nice to hold, like rebuy and hold. That's what I should have did. Went with like a further expiration, like the 24th. And earlier when SPY was down, I should have full sent it into some 330 or some 339 calls. Not even if it's a day trade, you would no. Friday is too. I mean, if you want, it's just too close. I think the theta would hurt you, but it's up to you, Brian. That's just in my opinion. I think just to be safe, so that if you have to hold but it's up to you. I mean, it's just the theta hurts if you don't sell it today, and I would hate for you to be down a lot and then Tesla takes off tomorrow and you sold, you know, just stuff like that. But it's up to you. It's up to your risk management. Like whatever you think would feel better. If the delta looks good, but just play to your risk management. Do you think Facebook 270 it by the end of the day? Deciding. Yeah, I'm thinking they'll come back down before they'll come back down to something before they go back up to that. They just I don't think they could sustain a green candle from 267 all the way to 270 without pulling back at anywhere. But we can see it. So Square is looking a lot better. I like that. That's a good movement. That little V shaped. We grabbed at that first V right at the bottom at 1025. That like little W spot. So we get back up to there. We're golden. FedEx is still climbing. I mean, that thing is just shooting off. FedEx call would have been nice, but I'd have to be really patient for FedEx. Rest of my water in Angola Lake, baby. Rest of my water in Angola Lake. How about a jet? How about a jet? I got that glow on my wrist. Yeah, Square's looking a lot better. Looking a lot better than it was. Baby, why you staring? True. Yeah, I was gonna say I don't think Facebook's gonna do that until it pulls back significantly. I bet if you go to the Weeble comments too, someone's like, "But I just bought Facebook at 270, 720, and now it's going backwards." Yeah, it's people are goons, dude. They don't. Bunch of goons. I love Facebook stock though. Just missed out on it today. It would have been a great day to play it too. I was thinking about entering. What was the other? Oh, JMIA. What are they even up to? 1150. What was the other stock I was coming to watch? Yeah, that would be so insane, man. It's crazy, man. All these stocks. Still watching the Tesla charts. It's at 1886.40. I'm just curious to see how Tesla plays out the rest of the day. I don't think Tesla pays a dividend, right? I don't think so. That would confuse me. SPAC merger. SPAC. SPAC merger. Yeah, dude, why is the lighting all of a sudden just getting bad now? It's weird. Tesla's 1888. Crazy how many shares people buy at a time of this stock. It's like, what? What? How? Huh? Who? Where? The coup's exotic and a man over should pay. Hey. Barnes and Noble. I write books, don't get booked. That's Barnes and Noble. The top two told. Spy's looking good. 339.35, pushing its new high even further into the sky. We're still down 11% on Square. It was looking good. Still kind of consolidating, which is fine. No worries here. Tesla's at 1,890, flat right now. There's also a new Tesla news just came out too, guys. So be wary of that. It's about Panasonic. Also, doesn't the stock split today, or is that tomorrow? The current. Yeah, I'm not sure. I heard an article though that Panasonic just reached a $100 million deal to make the batteries for them or something. So that's good news. So that could be a catalyst. So keep that in mind. SE, what's SE? Oh, C Limited. Oh yeah, that stock's crazy. Damn, they popped too. That's crazy. Don't write books, get booked. That's Barnes and Noble, the top two total. Square 235 call. It's down 10% instead of 11. So yeah, I'm really curious to see how the rest of this shakes out today. All right, go see a book says Barnes and Noble, the top two totem. Square. Come on, Square. You're just hanging out down there now? Good thing they're strong. Yeah, is Facebook dropping? Let me check them out. Yeah. It's looking like it's at least consolidating, if anything. But yeah, dropping. It looks like it. I can agree with that. Apple's still cruising. Epitome of greed. It happens. What's your bay? Hop on the jet. Yeah, I like the position on square about 233. Yeah, it's just hanging out. I think we got some good. Remember at the end of the day yesterday where it took off? It's kind of moving that same way right now. So let's just keep that, we'll keep that in mind. We'll keep that in mind. Story of my life. Now that I have to wait a whole week to trade again, I'm going to log into my Pond 5 account, start making some music. Hey, there you go. Add music. That's awesome. I didn't know you made ad music. That's really cool. That's really cool. How'd you go about doing that? That's like such a cool thing to do, I think. Making music for ads. Did you turn off? Yes, mine is turned off. Oh, never mind. I thought you were okay. You're asking Lexus. That's really cool. Yeah, I was gonna say mine's turned off. Yeah, Square's just hanging out. I mean, I'm down 14%, but I'm pretty hopeful on this play. I like Square here. I think they got some more gas in the tank for the rest of the day. It's just everyone's looking at Facebook right now. When something, so like once Facebook starts to fall, you'll see money start going everywhere else again. It's weird how this market works. I swear people are like, they just jump from one thing to another. Trying to ride it up a little bit. But yeah, I like Square where it is. It's cool because it doesn't have to move very much, and we didn't have to pay much for the contract, and we get a lot of movement out of it. You're up 5. Oracle came back. Perfect. Yeah, it hard sold off this morning. It should try and recover. That's what I was thinking. Oracle's up. Okay, yeah, it did dip, and now it's back. That's good. That's good to hear. I like those contracts. They're pretty cheap. That's cool. What's up, Ben? Thanks for hanging out, man. How you doing? You're afraid as a DJ? Oh, Pond 5. It makes a few bucks. I just bought a MIDI, so I'm trying to upload as much as I can. Definitely, dude. That's awesome. MIDIs are really cool and useful. I like them. I don't own one. I'm going to get a Pioneer board today. 5 on it. Brian knows what's up. You're up 5 on it. Little minky. The little minky emoji. Little minky. What else is I gonna search? Brian A. Okay, now I gotta plug my computer in. Let's turn this on. So that means I gotta unplug my wall piece. Gotta always plug everything towards the end, right? 30 more minutes, and I'll get my day started. But we're just watching plays develop. We're trying to see what's worth getting into, and I'm gonna go check out the. We're down 16% on Square right now, but we played it small, so it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. If it dips even harder, I'll grab another contract. But it doesn't look like it'll do that too soon. So yeah, let me check out the options trading calculator. Facebook is coming down. So you should see other stock prices going up. If Facebook really like starts to really come down, other stocks should start going up because people will pull their money out and try to move it somewhere else. Hopefully they move it into Square so we can get in and out, make a little bit of money. See what happens. I'm excited though to check the options calculator, see what Square has to get to for us, see if I can get some info. Wow, we got 5 on it. Cruisers. Yeah, I put my limit sell on SQ at 294. But right now we're down 30 instead of up 30. Cruisers, the cruise lines, wondering how much I should try and expect off of it. Can you show how it works? Tried, but I didn't know how to. How to do a limit sell? You basically just go to sell and then type in your limit price, like where it says market price, and then you just swipe up, and if it ever hits it, it'll go through. That is the strategy. Long call bullish. Oh, the options calculator? Yeah, I can make a video and show it. You just go to optionsprofitcalculator.com, then you hit your call for your basic, which I just do long calls. Square's on its way back up. That's good news. Let's get right back into the news. Right back into the news. Still down on Square, but not much anymore. All right, so type in the symbol of SQ, get the price. We'll check their option once the price is grabbed. That's inaccurate. Come on, options profit calculator, you're better than this. We'll try it again. We'll see if it gets the accurate price. It is off by like 50 cents. It says it seems like it's taking a while to get the option for Square. Well, we're closing in on where we purchased it at, so. Well, let me try it again. Maybe it's got a new price. I'll just type in what the price is right now and see if that works. I select the option. We have the weekly one, I think. Yeah, 150 call for this week. So it's, yeah, this is it's got it valued correctly. All right, so I'm checking the graph right now. That's my computer goes. Okay, so we'll make our money. So right now it's right at 150. We're down 21, 18, minus 18. So we should make our money if Square gets to 150.75, which it did earlier before it came back down. So we should be able to sell if Square gets to 150.75 for $30 or like where I would hit my $30 in profits. Another dip. It'd be crazy. SPY's down a little bit. Square's hanging at 150.03. So yeah, if we can get this up, we can sell it and make some cash. Do you ever set a limit sell and then when it gets close to that price? Barely. I've done it before and then I regretted it. But it's only if it's moving like fast and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's gonna keep going, then I'll do it. But I barely move it because I try to stay within my goals, you know, so that I don't get too outlandish and make bad plays. So I try to stick within my set, you know, I set my goals and try to hit them. Hit them. So yeah, Square's just sitting still. Yeah, we got the rest of the day too. But yeah, there's sometimes I set like every once in a while I'll set it and then cancel it, but not too often. Set trip Barnes and Noble. Don't get book right book says Barnes and Noble, the top two totem. Yeah, here comes Facebook slowly slowing down. Money's going into other funds, it looks like, other stocks. Square's still down. But we'll get out of it today. A little later, Square picks up a little bit more. The top two totem. Yeah, that's the way that I play it when I do. Yeah. Caught myself lying too, but I'm realizing that it's just my new reaction. It's all good, Brian. You haven't gotten anything yet. It's hard to know. The market's interesting today. I mean, you don't have to trade every day. I don't trade every day. I have been recently because we've been having earlier. I was like, maybe I don't even trade today, but I wanted to hop in Square. Yeah, don't feel obligated or don't feel like you're missing out on any gains because like you're putting your money at risk anytime you make a play. So it's like you're still, you know, you still got time. The market's going to be open almost every Monday through Friday until like the end of time. Spirit is back down to where it opened today. Nice. That's tough. I was really excited. It's crazy. Yeah. Let's see it. It's demand, expectations. Okay, that makes sense. I'm just doing more implied volatility research for fun. Yeah. Hey. Yep. Getting a call from Gregory, Michigan. I'm going to take this call real quick, guys. I'll be right back. I just want to see who it is, but it shouldn't take me more than like a minute. Oh, and they hung up. Never mind. Could be a scam call. Maybe they'll leave a message. Who knows? We'll figure it out. Square's been just hovering for like 20 minutes. Make a move. What are those? Make a move. Check Webull. We'll see what the Square contracts are looking like on Webull as far as like people buying. Oh, is that Google that gapped up today for a little bit? Nice. Yeah, the volume's not the best on Square right now, but I still think we're going to have a pretty good day. Jet set trip jet was a double. Man, I slept pretty well. I'm still really tired. Spy's hanging out. Square's hanging out. What a weird flat day. Now FedEx is down. Dude, the market's just sideways today. It makes no sense. Although Facebook did lift off. Covering baby, as you try. This is fine. Cool. Options calculator. I'm gonna check a couple other plays. I'll look at some Tesla ones. August 20th. Yeah, Square is still just hovering. Getting real interesting. Power Hour on Facebook? Possibly. I didn't even think about that. Power Hour Facebook. I did not even think about that. Spy's looking better. Should have played Spy today. That would have been fun. Square's all right, though. It's just down. It's the only thing that sucks. Just down a little bit, but, you know, we got time. We got the rest of the day. We didn't even sell Square yesterday until the end of the day. That's why we played it small today. We're just playing small. We did really well this week already, so. Yeah, Power Hour on Facebook would be pretty cool to watch. Square's sideways still. Tesla's still trying to figure itself out. Still consolidating, it seems. I mean, wants to break out over 19 hundo or just hang out here like it did yesterday. Come on, Square, you got this. Ooh, DPST's up. I can tell my portfolio value is like, whoop, straight to the moon. Oh, that's funny. Square, there we go. Square's getting some action. I'm only down $8 now. I like it. I may have a lower, well, we'll just ride it. I'll let you guys know in the Discord when I hop out. But we'll just ride it. I'll tag everybody. But Square's doing a lot better, so that's good news. All the good news. Tesla started to lift off, which is nuts. We'll see what happens to them. They just got a really green candle. Think they break 19 hundo again, guys? I think Tesla will get a little push from their Panasonic. Facebook's bouncing off at 1.3 to 1.5%. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for letting me know. That's what it looks like. Yeah, like you were saying. It hit right around 1.3, now it's to 1.5. It's crazy, man. They mooned. They mooned this morning. Square's back up to break even price for us, guys. That's good. It's a lot of great news. Whew. DPST's up today too, so that's great news. So yeah, let's just let's hope Square keeps us up. Let's keep this up. Wow, SPY is straight to the sky. That's ridiculous. They would have been such a great play. I mean, straight to the sky. So awesome. So awesome. I'll be calling the stream here really soon, within the next couple of minutes, but we'll keep watching. I started a little late today, so started a little late, had a later start to my morning. We're watching Facebook. Wow. I wonder what is pushing the market. The bank stocks are coming back. Probably that's what's pushing it. The SPY's through the roof. VU and SPY are both through the roof right now. So nuts. That would have been a sweet pickup this morning. Yeah, every time it goes up, it's a new all-time high. So awesome. So crazy. Let's keep an eye out for it once we go positive on them. I'll make a call out in the Discord and be like, yo, guys, I'm hopping out now. But, man, I didn't think SPY would moon that much. SPY to the moon. It's crazy. Damn, it's still going. It's just like full sending it to the moon. So nuts. So nuts. Is Oracle mooning? Wow. You guys, this Tesla just broke 19 hundo. Oh yeah, Oracle's doing really well. Up 2%, that's awesome. Tesla just broke 1900 again. DPST's up. VU's up. I bet SPY. Yeah, SPY's hanging out. Square's at our break even. We're actually up $4 right now. So we'll keep a close eye on Square. I'll make a call and like, hey, this is what I'm getting in. This is what I'm getting out. Or not getting back in. Sorry, I'm already in it. This is what I'm getting out. And make that call. I'll make that call out. But I'm pumped on Square. This is sweet. Very, very cool. Someone let Lynn know for real. Where's Lynn? Someone let her know her spy's coming back. She's got a shot. She's got a shot at getting her monies back. Home Depot's tanking. Glad we didn't take a position on them. That would have been tough. Tough for us. Just watching Square closely because we're at break even. I'm like trying to figure, I'm trying to like mindset, like bring my mindset into this. Like, how do I want to continue playing it? Like, what's my new, compared to what it was an hour ago? But yeah, Spy's still hanging at its all-time high. Square's going pretty much sideways for now. Microsoft's up, so that's really cool to see. They've kind of been hovering in this spot for a minute. Facebook just broke 267 again. Apple's back on the climb. Square's still sitting still. PlayStation. I have one right here next to me. Oh, yeah. Well, I can show you. Here's my extended hard drive for it, but I do play PlayStation. I'm going to play some 2K later. I like 2K. It's fun. 2K20, my team. I pulled a Michael Jordan card yesterday, so I was like, damn, I'm definitely going to play. But we got to get this money thing situated and get out of Square, make some cash. Oh, no, I'm actually going to get a PC. You might have to unsubscribe, Poseidon. I'm going to get a PC, an NZXT. Yeah, I like the NZXT PCs. They're really nice. I like those a lot. So that's what I'm going to end up doing. Yeah, no, I know. Yeah, I like Xboxes too. I just like PlayStation controllers just feel more natural because I grew up with one playing a PS2, so just feels better. Xbox game, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Once every game's cross-platform, it's like even Modern Warfare already is, or Warzone and all that, which is awesome. Yeah, I'm so happy that like that started to become like a standard. Like, okay, we should be able to play with Xbox players and. That makes sense. Yeah, cash accounts are the way to go. Good job. Good stuff getting that changed over, Lexus VIP for Hundo. That's what we'd like to see. Yeah, that'll happen to you. Ah, my phone should be falling. So Square's still at a break-even entry. Kind of sucks, but it do be happening. At least we're up now. We're up a little bit. So we'll see. Spy's up to its record. I wonder what it's going to do. John Deere's still to the sky. Cat's doing good. Yeah, I think we'll have a little run on Square and we can all hop out pretty soon. But I'll update the Discord. I'm going to hop off the stream, make some breakfast. I'll be back tomorrow, though, of course, like you guys already know, calling out the plays. So I'm just playing today slower, smaller. My best friend who I play 2K with all the time is a legend in my park, and they keep telling me he plays too much in your park. Oh, my gosh. Dude, he does. Can you cross-platform 2K? Square? Oh, Square. Let's go. Good stuff. Can you cross-platform 2K? I don't know. I wanted to ask that before. Yes, sir. Tomorrow is Gains Day. Gains Day, bro. 100%. Yeah, I don't think. I wasn't sure. My buddy's got an Xbox and I have a PlayStation, so he was like, "Yo, do you want to play some 2K?" And I was like, "I'm down," but we have yet to try it because I know he's on a different. I just didn't know. I assumed that it didn't, but also at the same time, I was like, "Who knows? There's so many games that are or aren't or whatever." So yeah, I just wanted to double check with somebody who knew or might have known. Yeah, Square is looking really good for a little breakout. We can get a little exit. I bet the next one is though. I bet you're right. It's pretty cool. It's the Mamba Legacy Edition. I'm really cool. You know that Kobe Bryant's on the cover. I think they're doing it the right way. That's really cool. So I'm just really excited. I love playing 2K. It's fun. I can play it for like an hour and just be like, damn, an hour's gone by already. But it's hard for me to play it for too long, but I think an hour is pretty solid on it. John Deere stock through the roof. So yeah, we'll keep that close eye on square. Close, square that eye up. Oh, I wonder what my SPY calls would be right now. Geez, because I sold those. I bet the next you have an NBA team, like a favorite NBA team. The Pistons are my favorite because I live in Michigan. But I do play my team also in 2K. Kind of torn right now. I'm up 45. That's my last day trade for the week. I mean, you are up 45, so that's pretty cool. It's up to you though. I mean, like, how much risk are you willing to take? That's awesome that you're 45% though. Jeez, I should have entered. Trading Fraternity called it out last night too. He's like, yo, I'm playing Oracle. I'm playing it small. You guys play at your own risk. This is why I like it. Blah, blah, blah. Continuation stuff. So it was really cool. I mean, he's a really smart guy, Trading Fraternity. So yeah, because I had the August 21st SPY expiration. Oh, did I have the 339? Oh, I had 338. Yeah, so I would be up what right now an extra like $80. I'd be up like 80 to 90 on that play that I sold. I think no, I'd be up about an extra 100 on it on SPY, but I sold it to enter Square. Square's going up. Oh, we're up $22, so we're about to hop out. It looks like. So I'll stay on stream until my Square sells, and I'll keep you guys updated if I have any swing plays or anything. If the Square goes through. I know, right? Here we go. We're literally $8 away, Square. You just literally have to move 10 more cents. No, 8, 16. 16. Go up, go up, go up, break 151. We can hop out. Have a great day. Man, I was really hoping to sit here and watch it. $284, we're up $20. So let's hope. Let's hope. Yep, there we go. We're up 22 now. Come on. Keep trading Square. Let's get that implied volatility up there. You're so close. You can do it. Tell me, baby, why you staring? Shopify's coming back. That would have been a cool entry. But I'm without those funds. Come on, Square. You got this. You can get there. I have it set for what, 294? Yeah, so it's at 285. 287. There we go. Square's pushing. It's up to 151.11. It was for a minute. Oh, it's sold. Let's go. Guys, it sold. Dude, that's so, why did it sell like that? That was awesome. Well, we'll keep a close eye on Square because it's starting to fall. So I'm gonna hit up the Discord. Made 30 and got out. So I like that. We're looking good. Made a quick 30. Oh, you made 60 on it, Blake? Fire, bro. Good move. You're up all time. That's what we like to. We'll keep eyes out for other plays. I'll let you guys know. Yeah, that's probably it for me today too. There's so much hectic stuff going on in the market. It's like, what do we do? I don't want to get, screwed. I don't want to. But I'll let you guys know if I make any more plays. But we'll just keep watching. So that's gonna be it for my stream, though. Thank you guys for hanging out. Oh, Square's still mooning. Oh, I'd be up 44 if I was still holding. Tough. But we got out with 30, so can't be upset. Unless we see Square hit 153. No, I'm just then I'll be like, uh-oh. So let's wait for Square. Let's see if it pulls back. Maybe we re-enter later, but I'll keep an eye on it. I'll let you guys know what happens. But cool. Yeah, that's crazy. It took off. Always happens that way. You get in, you take your profits, it goes to the moon. But I'll let you guys know what I end up doing. The expiration was for this week, so we got out. Yeah, it would be cool. It'd be up like to 41 right now or something. It's all good. We'll enter later if I see an opportunity. But that's gonna be it for me trades today. It looks like. I don't know. I'll see. I'll let you guys know. But that's what I'm thinking. All right, thank you guys for watching. It means a ton, and I will see you guys soon. I hope you guys had a great day. Don't forget to like, sub. We did good today trades, so I'm pretty excited. So I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to watch the videos. If you need help, just send me messages on the Discord. But I'm going to try to take today slow because the market's freaking crazy. So I'll see you guys soon.